This section refers to quadratic solutions, and there's many ways to go about it. As you travel through your program, especially if you're reviewing some of grade 11, you'll remember that by grade 11 you were using the quadratic root solution. But in the earlier days, from grade 10, there was a more simplified form, and that's the form that we're going to look at today. This one represents what is called the sum and product solution. So what are we really asking you to do? What we're asking you to do is what two numbers, when multiplied, will give us 7, but when added, would make 8. Well, that's a very simple one. But the objective here is to help you get a grasp of how it works for when you see some later solutions that you're going to try to do. So for this one, we recognize you'll set up your two brackets, set it equal to 0, and we ask the question again, what would create the 7? Well, obviously it'll be 7 times 1. And we could see that if 7 was positive and 1 was positive, we would get 8. Pretty straightforward. But in the solution set, what you're really looking at is they're asking you to find the value of the two x's. What do? We can simply cover up the first one and recognize that x plus 7 is equal to 0, so when it goes to the other side, you end up with x1 is equal to minus 7, and the other value, x2, is equal to minus 1. The simplest way to express this is simply change the signs, and you're done. It's that easy.